Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to apply a tempered glass screen protector on a smartphone. This is an iPhone and this is the brand that I have. Allen. This one came with 3 screen protectors, 3 2-stage wipes, and 3 sticker sets. This particular box did not come with an installation frame. So this will be a video to show you how to install a screen protector without an installation frame. Alright, so the first step is the wet wipe. Second step is the dry wipe. And I'm even going to use my own lens wipe to get it even more dry. Alright, so now you're going to check for dust, and if you have any dust, you're going to use the dust absorber sticker to stick on the screen to remove the dust. These guide stickers on the left here, I couldn't find any information on these, and I watched videos from this brand on YouTube, and they didn't use these guide stickers because a lot of their videos had installation frames. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these stickers I'm going to align it with the bottom of the earpiece. Since the earpiece is very thin at the top and hard to see when you're putting the screen protector down, I'm going to put the sticker, I'm going to cover the earpiece to know where my boundary is with the earpiece. So here's the protector. You've got a peel back, and so you're going to peel this off, and then you're going to stick that side down. And so if you line it up here, if you mock it up, at least with this brand, there's a gap all the way around. I wish it was a little larger, but it is what it is. So leaving the earpiece uncovered and centering on the screen, you've got a pretty healthy border all the way around. So your goal really is to avoid covering the earpiece at the top and then centering the protector on the screen on the other 3 sides. Alright, so I've put this guide sticker, I've covered up the earpiece at the top of the phone so I know that that's my upper boundary. Kind of blow on the phone as I wipe. I'm dust free and I don't need this, but just to show you, you would just go along the whole thing, get all the dust. Could even reuse that too. So I'm going to peel the entire back off, and then I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to use my 2 fingers like this to try to get it aligned as best as I possibly can before I let it down. Alright, one more wipe. Take your fingers on the sides, get that top lined up, and then line up the other 3 sides. Do your best. You're not going to get it perfect, but get it pretty good. If you need to redo it, you can lift it, peel it off, and redo it. If you find that you have dust or fibers on the back side of the protector, peel it off and use the sticker on the underside and dab off the dust or fiber against a dark background. You'll see it better. Alright, once it's placed, go ahead and start from the middle and work your way out. Check around the edges. I've got some dust around the edges, so I'm going to pry up the edges and come in with the sticker and before putting it back down. But the main portion of it looks perfect, so I'm happy with that. That's how you install a tempered glass screen protector without an installation frame. Thanks for watching. Peace.